Hi, welcome back to Fitchburg Firehouse 2. I'm Meredith Shelton. I'm here with Kara Hare from Hy-Vee, and we are here to prepare another wonderful vegetarian dish today. So what are we making today, Kara?
So it sounds fancy. We're doing spaghetti alla Melanzane.
It does sound fancy.
Yeah, but don't worry, it's really not. It just means spaghetti with eggplant. So it sounds a lot better than spaghetti with eggplant.
It does.
So that's why I call it that. But it's another great way if you have eggplant or all these seasonal things that are coming, produce that's ready for us to eat. This is a great way to use that up.
Absolutely.
So we're going to start by making the marinade for the eggplant.
Okay.
So I'm just going to pour in, we have balsamic vinegar.
Okay.
About 6 tablespoons there, and that's really the base. It gives a nice tang.
Yes.
2 tablespoons of olive oil, a little bit of black pepper, just a little bit of honey. It sweetens it up a little bit, kind of cuts the tang of the balsamic vinegar.
Sure.
And then this will give you a little bit of heat is
little chili pepper.
Chili pepper there.
Okay.
So that's another thing. If you don't want too much, you can cut it down a little bit too.
Absolutely.
If you don't want that much. But there's about a half a teaspoon of red chili pepper in there.
Okay.
And then just whisk that up. So this is ready to go. And then over here, we'll have you pour in that eggplant.
Okay.
And that I just chopped up 1 eggplant. It's about a pound of eggplant there.
Okay.
And then we have basil, about a half cup of fresh basil. And again, it's great to have right now because it's in season.
Absolutely.
If you wanted to make this when it's not in season, you could probably use dry. You just want to cut down how much you put in.
Okay.
And then we have fresh tomatoes there, about a pound of those. And then the last thing that's really going to give you you got it, chickpeas. They'll satisfy you and give that protein that
Absolutely.
we're missing.
Okay. And mix this up, I assume.
All up. And then I'm just going to pour in this marinade here.
Okay.
Mix that all together.
So when you say marinade, are we actually, is this something that you need to let and sit for a while?
You could, yeah. We're going to cook it all together. So ideally you'd want about 30 minutes just to let it sit, which is easy to do while you're cooking the pasta that's going to go with it. Cooking the spinach that we're going to add to it. By the time you're ready, you're probably going to have that 30 minutes.
It's had a chance to soak up some flavors and
just a little bit it doesn't have to be completely 30 minutes.
So,
now that we have that done, we're going to head over here. And we're just going to add a little bit of olive oil into the pan. Turn this on. And then add in
a little
that
garlic. Okay.
And again, garlic doesn't cook for very long, about a minute. We don't want to burn it.
Sure.
So just enough to bring out that flavor of the garlic. So that's going.
Okay.
Then we're going to add in a whole container of spinach.
Okay.
And that's already been washed.
Excellent.
And it looks like a lot, but as you know, spinach really reduces down.
Absolutely,
And this will give you just a lot of good vitamins, antioxidants, and lots of great color too.
For sure. It's a nice thing about making some of these meals in the summer. You do get lots of different colors.
Exactly, yeah. It's so pretty. It's filling, but it doesn't weigh you down, which is, I think in the summer we don't really want, we want the comfort food, but not without the heaviness of it.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right. So we'll continue to cook it once we add the eggplant. So if you want to bring over the eggplant and just pour that whole thing in. So again, this is a really simple recipe. And I think that's
all our pieces.
Pretty good. And we just want to cook this until the eggplant's tender. So this will cook for about 10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Or so. All right, so this is ready to go.
Okay.
Again, super simple to put together. We have the pasta cooked here. If you just want to portion, I guess we'll plate everything right onto this big plate.
Sure.
And again, you can use spaghetti squash or zucchini noodles.
Yeah, there are lots of different healthy options. So.
And then we're just going to put this right on top.
It looks very fancy.
It does, yeah. So that's what we'll keep the fancy name.
There you go. I like it. And what was the word again?
Spaghetti alla melanzane, so Italian.
Okay.
We'll pour that on, and then just to give it a little bit more of brightness and flavor, we're just gonna add a little bit of feta cheese right on top.
And then do a little basil too?
And a little bit of basil as well. We'll finish it off.
There we go.
All right.
All right, so now is the moment of truth, right?
That's right. It's always hard to eat spaghetti on, no matter what.
Yeah,
like,
no matter what, but now on camera. Yeah. That is good. The flavors are fantastic, especially with that spinach in there.
Yep. And then just that balsamic vinegar and the spices there, I think adds a lot to something that you wouldn't normally expect to get from zucchini.
No, absolutely, from eggplant. Or and so it's that would be a great dish. It's very satisfying, very filling. So yeah, great vegetarian option, a little lighter for the summertime.
That's right, perfect.
All right, great. Well, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.